Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is some Halloween project shares. This is actually, I'm in a group swap and I'm just starting to work on some stuff, and I could not wait to play with this Halloween Party DC WV paper pad. It is super fun, almost like a peachy pink color, lots of blacks and oranges. So let me jump into what I've been working on. So the first thing are these super cute little candy pouches. These are made out of acetate, and this is following Bona, who is Live Love Scrap here on YouTube. This is following her tutorial, and they are so super cute. And I actually was like kind of like, oh, I should just finish crafting. I just set a little tiny hole punch in the corner, and I'm using these little these are them, and I got them on eBay several years ago. They're these easy set eyelets. I have bats, ghosts, orange pumpkins. I have some other shape too, I can't remember, but I'm just doing tiny little hole punches in the corner. Also, if you want to make a mini version of this, say you wanted to make this like a physical tiny little embellishment that they don't, you know, cut open and use, DM, who is Cutesy Shelf, she has a tutorial and she uses the vinyl, like it's like acetate, but it's vinyl. It's more of that fabricy stuff. So I'll link both of their tutorials down below. She has a cute tiny version, and it's like a charm, and she sticks little cabochons in there. It is so cute. So let me just get another eyelet. I always haul this stuff, like these cute little ghosts from Ali just recently. I'm like, I need to add a cute little charm to these guys, like to hang down. The candy die is actually a Queen & Company die. This is actually a knockoff one from AliExpress, and these are from last year, so I just used, you know, what I had in my stash, and then I used the paper pad for the edges, and then did like a funky Frankenstein stitch that kept coming undone. I don't know why, but I mean, it looks rugged and rough, which is fine for Halloween. And then all of the sequins, those orange hollow stars, I just hauled those. So fun. Same with these little like hollow, like almost like a North Star, but they go good with Halloween. And then the glitter ones, and then all the glitter ones, like the silver, black, and pink, are all from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And then hollow pink stars from Ali. And then the polka dot black and white are from Cartwright Sequins. And same with these like moonshine ones. Those are Cartwrights as well, which is an American-based company. So these guys, and then I wanted to add like a lollipop, which I have not used those charms, you guys, because I don't know. I hauled them because they're so cute, but I think they would look good on this, like, you know, poisonous, like a candy pouch size. Jump ring. I get all of my jump rings from Ali. I'm assuming they sell these at like Joann's and Michael's and everywhere else. I just don't ever pay attention because I get everything off Ali. So I'm gonna add the ghosty right there, and then let me get a lollipop charm. Okay, so apparently the only little lollipop charms I have are ones people gifted me, and they don't match, and they're not, I don't have enough. So I do have these like fun little short candies, so I definitely have to order some lollipop charms. I thought maybe I just saw everybody hauling, I assumed I hauled them. Oh my gosh, struggles of a shopaholic. And then this. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this turned out right. I don't like how this ghost isn't laying like flat. Same with this guy. Okay, but you've got a little dangle right here, your little ghosty candy dangle. And let me do these guys. Okay, so I added this one, little charm and bat, this one, and then this one. Oh, okay, so I fixed those. Okay, so those are the candy treat bags. And then next I used this die from AliExpress. It's a bow die. And these cut through like faux leathers and stuff, and like multiple pieces of paper at the same time. Like I cut 4 pieces of paper out at the same time with this. And then this one is the sizzix bow die. 3D bow. This was from, I hauled it last year. It's got the little fishtail at the bottom. So this guy, I made this bow right here. So this is the fishtail one, the sizzix one, and I used the paper and I stitched each panel, which I don't think I've ever stitched both panels. I mean, I could have went a little crazy and tried to stitch the fishtails. And then the holographic is actually like a faux vinyl from Hobby Lobby clearance. And then the back part which is like little star tulle. Silver stars is from AliExpress. It's actually gold, but the back side is silver. So I just did the silver side showing up since I'm working with hollows. So I made that, and then this, and the little spiders from AliExpress. He's got like a little, he's basically like just blinged out looking in silver. And then this is the one from AliExpress, and then I just did some velvet, black velvet as the center because I don't like using the pieces of paper. And I did that tulle in between the layers of the hollow faux fabric. And then the charms, just a tiny little wire wrap bead, a little spider dangle, and then some more wire wrap bead, and those little bling diamond end bead spacers. So cute, and like a chrome color, like a black chrome. So those are my bows, because you could either make bows or rosettes. And then I still need to make, like, you can make something or just do store-bought. I made these little rosettes. This is using that fancy new rosette from KS Craft. Kind of just gives it a different look, as you can see. And I didn't want to waste any paper from the collection, so I used black paper, and then I went ahead and sprayed this Nuvo Mica Mist in pink carnation. You could barely see it, but in real life you can see it. It shimmers, it shines. It's super pretty, and it looked really pretty before I started embellishing. So I have that pink underneath, and then I used the paper collection to cut out the pattern paper of the orange. And then I used this trim that I just recently hauled. Oh my gosh, I love this. If you guys follow me on Insta, I showed it in my stories. It just brought this embellishment, super simple and easy, to life. Like, it looks way cool and dimensional because of all this. And I kind of just glued a square on, and then I went in like Edward Scissorhands and kind of just cut the edge off. And not a perfect circle either. I made it like jaggedy. And I used the same sequin mix on the inside as well. And these are just so cute. I think this new 31, it has the alphabet plus the numbers, and it's from KS Craft. So super cute on those guys. And then next, I have to make a tiny embellishment box. I don't know what to stick in. I've got to find pom-poms. I know I have pom-poms, like stuff that's super tiny. I got to go through my stash more. And like, there was beads I wanted to put in, Halloween beads, and they were just too fat. So I did these little square ones, and they each spell out a word. This word happens to say eek. And just like some fun felt beads, eyeballs, wire wrap beads, and charms in here. So I'm trying to think. Pom-poms. What else could I put? I have two more. What else should I put in there? Super tiny. These are from Daiso Japan, and they are just adorable. And I love that they're crystal clear. And then once I package this all up and it looks super cute for like the idea that I have in my head, I'll show you guys that video as well. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next crafty video.